Okay. Imagine this. You're at the coffee shop, you walk up, you ask for a latte, and the barista just starts talking fast, really fast.
What do you mean?
Like, hi, welcome in. What can I get you today? We have a special right now. It's a brown sugar oat milk shake and espresso, and it comes with an extra shot. Do you want to try that, or do you need a minute?
Yes? No? Sorry, I'll have, coffee.
Sure, hot or iced, and what size? Small, medium, or large?
Large? Yes, large. Thank you.
Great, and can I get a name for the order?
Jeremiah.
Awesome, that'll be ready in just a few minutes.
Okay, great. And scene. That was painful.
It really was. And here's the thing. Jeremiah understood maybe 30% of what I said. He got coffee, he got large, and he survived, but he was stressed the whole time.
And here's what was going through my head. What did she say? Was that a question? Should I say yes? What's a brown sugar espresso? Does it matter? Just say yes. No, wait, don't say yes if you don't know what it is. Okay, just say large.
That internal panic is so real. And it's not because your English is bad, it's because native speakers talk fast. We blend words together, we skip sounds, we assume you already know what we're asking.
So today, we're giving you the phrases that pause the conversation politely so you can catch up.
Okay, 5 phrases. These are the ones that will actually save you. Write them down, screenshot this, whatever, but learn these.
Phrase number 1. Sorry, could you say that a little slower?
This is polite, it's natural, and it works everywhere. Coffee shop, office, phone call, airport, anywhere.
Say it with me. Sorry, could you say that a little slower?
Beautiful. And here's the key word, a little. Not much slower, not super slowly, just a little slower. It sounds softer, less like, I have no idea what you said, and more like, I almost got it, just one more time.
That's a good distinction. The phrase doesn't make you sound lost, it makes you sound polite.
Exactly. Phrase 2, I didn't quite catch that.
Ooh, this one sounds really natural.
Right? Catch in English means to understand when it comes to language. Like, I caught what you said. So when you say, I didn't quite catch that, you're saying, I almost got it, but not completely.
And quite softens it even more. It's not, I didn't understand, it's, I didn't quite catch that. Totally different feeling.
Try it. I didn't quite catch that.
I didn't quite catch that. That flows really nicely.
Phrase 3. Could you repeat the last part?
This one is my personal favorite because it's so specific.
Yes, you're not asking them to say everything again. You're saying, the first part I got, just the last part. What was that?
So if someone says the meeting is on Thursday at 2, and bring your laptop, charger, and the report from last week, you just need the last part.
Could you repeat the last part? You get what you missed without starting over.
Efficient, smart, natural.
Phrase 4. Sorry, I'm still learning English. Could you speak a little more slowly?
Now, some people feel embarrassed to say this, but can we talk about that for a second?
Please, because I think this phrase is actually really powerful.
When you say this to a native speaker, most people will immediately slow down, smile, and respect you for trying. Full stop.
Most native English speakers in a real conversation are not judging you. They want to help you. And being honest takes confidence.
Using this phrase shows you're brave enough to communicate. That's impressive.
And if someone is rude about it, that's their problem, not yours. Keep going.
Phrase 5. Let me make sure I understood. You said...
This is the confirmation phrase. After you've asked them to slow down and you've caught most of it, you repeat it back to check.
So the barista says, that'll be $7.50, and you say, let me make sure I understood. You said $7.50?
And they either say yes or they correct you. Either way, you win.
It also shows that you were listening and trying to understand, which people always appreciate.
Okay, quick recap before we move to the second role play. Number 1, sorry, could you say that a little slower? Number 2, I didn't quite catch that. Number 3, could you repeat the last part? Number 4, Sorry, I'm still learning English. Could you speak a little more slowly? And number 5, let me make sure I understood. You said,
5 phrases. That's it. That's the toolkit.
now, before we do the new confident version, let's replay that first coffee shop scene, but slowly. Same words, same situation. Listen for the pieces.
Here we go. Slow version.
Hi, welcome in. What can I get for you today? We have a special right now. It's a brown sugar oat milk shaken espresso. It comes with an extra shot. Would you like to try that, or do you need a minute?
See how different that feels? Every sentence was separate. You could actually follow it. In real life, it sounds like one long blur, but that's just because of pace, not because the words are different.
Your brain can understand it. You just need to give it a moment. And now you have phrases to buy yourself that moment.
Okay, new scene. Different location. We're switching it up because I want to show you these phrases work everywhere, not just coffee shops.
Where are we?
We're at a pharmacy. You've just picked up some medicine and the pharmacist is giving you instructions. Ready?
I love it. You're the pharmacist, I'm the customer. But this time, I'm using the phrases. Go.
Hi there. So this medication, you'll want to take it twice a day, once in the morning with food, and once before bed. Don't take it on an empty stomach. And make sure you finish the full course even if you're feeling better, okay?
Sorry, could you say that a little slower? I want to make sure I get the instructions right.
Of course. So twice a day, once in the morning, with food, and once before bed. Don't skip doses.
Thank you. I didn't quite catch the last part. Did you say to finish all of it even if I feel better?
Yes, exactly. Finish the full course, even if you feel better after a few days.
Got it. Let me make sure I understood. Twice a day, with food, and I finish all the medicine even if I feel better. Is that right?
Perfect. You've got it exactly right.
Amazing. And that is the difference.
First version, we panic. We nod. We walk away confused. Maybe take the wrong dose.
Second version, we use 3 phrases. We slow it down, we confirm. And now we have the correct information.
And notice, the pharmacist wasn't annoyed. He was happy to repeat it because he wants you to understand the instructions correctly. Most people want to be understood just as much as you want to understand them.
That is such a good point. Communication is a two-way street.
Before we wrap up, 2 quick bonus tips.
Tip 1. You don't have to understand every word. Even native speakers miss words sometimes. Your goal is to understand enough to respond. Focus on the key information, the number, the place, the time, the action.
Tip 2, your face matters. If you look panicked, the other person might get nervous too. Take a breath, keep a calm, open expression. It makes the whole conversation easier for both of you.
And tip 3, I know we said 2, but here's a bonus tip. Practice asking these phrases out loud, not just reading them. Say them. Feel comfortable with the words in your mouth before you need them in a real situation.
Say it now. Sorry, could you say that a little slower?
Say it again. I didn't quite catch that.
One more. Could you repeat the last part?
You've got this.
Okay, before we say goodbye, we want to hear from you. And this is our question for today.
Tell us in the comments, what is the hardest situation for you when someone speaks too fast? Is it on the phone, at work, with a doctor, at a restaurant?
Because here's the thing. Every situation has slightly different vocabulary, and if we know where you struggle the most, we can make an episode about exactly that.
So drop it in the comments. We actually read every single one. We want to know, where does speaking too fast stress you out the most?
And if this episode helped you, hit like and subscribe because we make new episodes every week, always about real conversational English. No textbooks, no boring drills, just real talk.
We're building something here together, and honestly, every comment and like helps more people find us. So if you found this useful, share it with one person who's learning English. Just one.
All right, let's do a final super quick recap before we go. 5 phrases to use when someone speaks too fast.
1. Sorry, could you say that a little slower? 2. I didn't quite catch that. 3. Could you repeat the last part? 4. Sorry, I'm still learning English. Could you speak a little more slowly? 5. Let me make sure I understood. You said,
Print it out. Put it on your wall. Put it in your phone. However you remember things, use it.
Learning a language is hard, especially when the world doesn't slow down for you. But these little phrases, they're like a pause button, and you are absolutely allowed to press pause.
You're doing better than you think you are. Seriously.
That's what we always say here, and we mean it. Thank you so much for spending time with us today.
It means a lot that you're here, learning, trying, showing up. We see you.
We're Michelle and Jeremiah, and we'll see you next episode on Let's Talk English.
Bye for now.
Bye.